if that's a good thing that I have two films showing on the same day. Kasi, alam mo yun, most of the time, you want to focus on promoting one film at a time. But I find it as a blessing. I'm proud na may dalawang lalabas and if people decide to watch both films, they can see different flavors of me.
You're everywhere.
I'm
Literally.
apparently.
Film, television, music. Wow. Theater. Oo.
Napaka-busy. I mean, I like being busy. Keeps me not really distracted, but when I'm busy, I think less about the grief or whatever anxieties I have. And when I'm on set or just doing what I love to do, yun yung nag-equate sa happiness ko.
Uh-huh. You were saying about yun nga, no, grief, etc. Why has there been any challenge lately?
Yeah, yun pa rin. It's been 2 years since my brother passed, but it's really hard to process grief. Of course, grief is non-linear. It comes and goes. Paminsan you're okay, and then the next hour may makikita ka or may maaalala ka, and it ruins the vibe. Not really ruins, pero mas bumababa lang bigla yung emotions and yung energy. But I try to use it for the better, use it as inspiration to do better sa mga projects and pumili ng mga bagay na matutuwa ako pag kinabisihan ko siya.
Wow. And buti, you also are very active with your music lately.
Yes, I just finished the album, so
Wow,
malapit na
finally.
siya lumabas.
Yes.
We're listening to it with the label this week. And we're gonna plan the rollout plan for the album. So sana ma-release siya before the end of the year, but if not, maybe early next year.
It was a breath of fresh air to see you at Vibe, di ba? Na parang,
Yes.
but now, how do you feel?
Post nga ako ngayon dahil sa vibe eh.
Talaga?
Kasi pinag-rap nila kami ng Francis Magalona. Syempre, I can't let Kiko down, di ba? So, dinaan ko sa sigaw lahat.
Nakakatuwa. No, and nagulat ako pati Spotify pala has like,
Yes.
ano,
Vibe is really going strong and we're also hosting the upcoming Awit Awards.
Yeah.
We were there at the very first Filipino Music Awards na bigla ako napa-host. I was only supposed to present. And then Mr. M calls a day before and asks me kung game ba ako mag-co-host with Joey Meat King and Michael Sager. And I was like, syempre pag Mr. M, you can't say no, right?
Yeah.
So takbo agad ng MOA and then I had a day to prepare for that.
what?
Yes,
Wow,
like
you did great.
less than a day. Thank you so
Oh
much.
my gosh.
In-enjoy ko rin po. Yes.
Kamusta yung first time working with Richard Rose?
mean-
Intimidate ka?
I mean, I was really nervous from the very start. When they pitched it to me, si Kong Goma pa lang yung naka-attach sa project. So, it was an automatic yes. Aside from Direk Lino Cayetano, who I worked with for a different show, I've always wanted to work with the best of the best, the legends of our industry. I've gone to work with Kuya Aga Mulak, and now I'm going to work with Kong Richard Gomez. And it's a dream, it's surreal. I was very nervous nung magsisimula na kami. Pero once nagkausap na, I mean, he's the nicest. He's the most professional. Nahiya nga ako minsan, mas maaga pa siya sa akin. Parang, teka, parang mas maaga call time ko, ba't nandito ka na? Pero gano'n siya ka-pro and gano'n siya maaasahan. And sobrang generous as an actor. I mean, he became mayor, he's a congressman now, and he's, of course, a Philippine cinema legend. Pero napaka down to earth pa rin, napaka generous. Even with the on-set, yung mga acting choices, nakikipag-collaborate talaga siya sa akin.
Salvage Land. Like, how does it set apart from the other police stories that we have seen?
Well, this is like we're trying to put a flavor of a Filipino Western into this. It's an original Filipino story, and it really mirrors the society that we live in today. Despite it being a Western, despite it being fictional, pag napanood mo to, malalaman mo na sa pelikula, makikita din talaga natin yung tunay na buhay natin. And this movie is gonna challenge people into thinking about their own moral principles. And that's the beauty of cinema, di ba? Yung hindi lang siya escape from reality kasi we have like music, we have TV shows. Pero pag cinema, like, it starts a discussion, it starts a conversation na pag-iisipan talaga, pag-uusapan nyo ng mga kasama nyo after nyo manood. And then, yun yung kagandahan ng Filipino cinema. And Salvage Land has that. Like, hindi kami natakot na ipakita yung mga katotohanan and i-challenge yung mga characters and yung audience sa pag-iisip ng sariling identities na nila.
Like yung kanina, sorry, nabanggit mo about anxiety. Po kasi ka ba about mental health?
Oh, po, definitely. My family and I established a non-profit organization called Kulit, the JM Canlas organization. It's
Kulit as in K.
Kulit, yes, Kulit. Kasi my brother passed away 2 years ago because of mental health problems. And syempre, ever since that happened, we've been trying to help more people, especially in the youth sectors, mga adolescents, who are going through the same thing and hopefully save more lives and be there for each other.
Anong nag-epekto sa inyo yung news about Kim Atienza?
Oh yeah, I mean, bumalik yung mga memories. Yung dad ko nagkaroon ng relapse with his anxiety and depression also. Pero alam mo yun, yun talaga parang wake up call talaga siya sa atin every time na may mga balitang lalabas na ganito And sana wala na tayong mga buhay na, hindi na tayo mawala ng mga buhay, lalo mga kabataan dahil sa mga problemang ito. And sana seryosohin natin, simulan natin yung diskusyon and huwag tayong matakot na pag-usapan ang mental health dahil necessary to and buhay ang nakasalalay dito.
Like katulad mo, actor ka, iba't ibang role ang ginagampanan mo. Hindi ba nakaka-apekto yun sa mental health?
Opo, nakaka-apekto din siya but I guess with the proper training and experience, masasanay ka na lang din po to learn how to detach and attach to the characters that you play. Pero at this point, kinakaya ko na po mag-detach easily. But I've been talking to a lot of actors, especially the young ones who have difficulty with detaching from their characters, separating what's real and what's not, with work and what's personal. Pero ma-experience din naman nila yan eventually pag paulit-ulit na masasanay na lang din po yung mga tao, yung mga aktor na trabaho lang to and hindi dapat nakasalala yung buhay natin sa ginagawa natin to.
Thank you.